Zenzu.
Invasion.
Podang podale dundu. Jume kadun chegap. Pema dan gyama gi rudik. Chigdong kubyangap chung ajik.
Chinese and Tibetan army on parade near the Potala Palace in Lhasa in 1951.
Beijing to Peshung Gande Podang gi tumi kutsap zu. Chinyi Tuanzin Jubdun server Sadab Gweshimba. Chigdong kubyangap chung ajik dawa nga ba.
The Tibetan delegation signing the 17-point agreement in Beijing in May 1951.
Pegi tama. Chigdong kubyangap ju.
Tibetan cavalry in 1950s.
Kuzi Benjir Muje Chodan Lendu. Lesser Yong Gamargi. Tama Ruka. Chigdong kubyangap chung ani.
Chinese army on march during the arrival of Panchen Lama to Lhasa in 1952.
Kongi Rudikap. Mount Zedong Maji Tung De Tabar Keshimba.
Chinese army with photos of Mao Zedong and Marshal Jude on march during the arrival of Panchen Lama in Lhasa.
Podang Podale Dundu, Kami, Mangmi Rudik Tong Shimba, Chidong Kubyangap Jungani.
Chinese army marching in front of Potala Palace in Lhasa in 1952.
Kamagi Sube Shunglam Sarbe To, Kami Langor, Chidong Kubyangap Ju Lede.
Chinese truck convoy on one of the new roads built by the Chinese army in Tibet in early 1950.
Kama Hasar Joba, Chidong Kubyangap Jungajik.
Chinese army marching into Lhasa in 1951.
Touche.
Thank you.